So today's project is these white knuckle off-road rock sliders that we picked up from Apple Valley, California. We are going to be installing it on our Land Cruiser right out there. Let's get right to it and see what's beneath the wraps. So we chose to have the rock sliders powder coated in black, but you can get them just in plain steel. It costs a little bit extra, but it looks nice. We also added this diamond plated cover here so that your feet don't fall through when you're stepping down.
Yep.
The craftsmanship is top notch. Look at how clean the welds are. Each slider weighs about 60 pounds. So we used 2 jacks to lift the sliders and do a test fit. This allowed us to approximate where the U-bolts go on the frame. I had to move the brake lines out of the way to make sure the U-bolts are flush with the frame. Thanks again for watching. This is a very fun, fast, easy install for us. And make sure you check out White Knuckle Off-Road for some cool rock sliders. Look out for more videos as always. See you in the next one.